Hello dears, this is Satyamurthy from Bharat Metric Higher Secondary School, Arakonam. I am very happy to meet you in this video session. Listen dears, today I am going to continue 12th Mathematics, first chapter, exercise number 1.4, question number 5. The question number 5, a family of 3 people went out for a dinner in a restaurant. The cost of 2 dosai, 3 idlis and 2 vadais is rupees 150. The cost of 2 dosai, 2 idlis and 4 vadais is rupees 200. The cost of 5 dosai, 4 idlis and 2 vadais is rupees 250. The family has 350 in hand and they ate 3 dosai and 6 idlis and 6 vadais. Will they be able to manage to pay the bill within the amount they had? Do you understand? They are given 3 types of cost. Listen, 3 people, the first person, listen, the first term, 2 dosai, 3 idlis and 2 vadais, that is 150 rupees. And the second term, 2 dosai, 2 idlis and 4 vadais, cost is what? 200 rupees. And the third one, 5 dosai, 4 idlis and 2 vadais, rupees 250. Okay, and the family has 350 in hand and they ate 3 dosai and 6 idlis and 6 vadais. Will they manage to pay the bill? Because listen yes, from this first I am going to form a 3 equations. Listen, in the solution, first from the first condition. So what they given in a dinner, the cost of 2 dosai. Before that, x be the cost of dosai, cost of dosai, and it means x be the cost of 1 dosai, y be the cost of second one is idli. This is cost of dosai, and the second z be the cost of vadai. Listen, yes, first we need to find x, y, z from the given conditions. From that I am going to form an equation. The first condition, 2 dosai, so 2x and 3 idlis plus 3y and 2 vadai plus 2z, which is equal to how much they paid? 150 rupees, which is equal to 150. And the cost of 2 dosai, so 2x again, and 2 idlis, 2y and 4 vadais plus 4z, which is equal to how much they paid? 200 rupees. And third one, the cost of 5 dosai, 5x plus 4 idlis, 4y plus 2 vadais plus 2z, which is equal to how much cost? That is 250 rupees. 250. So from this I am going to find value of x, y, z using grammar rule. From this, listen, this is very simple. First I am going to form a del. So how can you del? That is coefficient of x, y, z from the given 3 equations. Listen, yes, from the first equation I am going to write x, y, z coefficients, that is 2, 3, 2, 2, 3, 2, and from the second equation 2, 2, 4, 2, 2, 4, and from the third equation 5, 4, 2, 5, 4, 2. Listen, yes, I am going to determine along R1. The first, I am going to consider the first row, first element, that is A11 place, always we have to keep place. So now we omit first row and first column. Omit first row and first column, remaining, I am going to determine the remaining elements. 2 2s are 4 minus 4 4s are 16. Now I am going to take center value. While we are taking the center value, we have to keep minus. Listen. So omit first row and the second column. Remaining 2 2s are 4 minus 5 4s are 20. Last element there is plus 2. Now listen. So omit first row and the third column. 2 4s are 8 and 5 2s are 10 minus 10 from this. Now listen to this, very simple. 2 into 4 minus 16. So subtract 4 from 16. What will we get? So minus 12 is the remaining. So minus 3 into 4 minus 16. Sorry, 4 minus 20. Remaining is what? Minus 16. And plus 2 into 8 minus 10 is minus 2. Now listen to this. 2 into 12 minus 2 into minus 12 equal to minus 24. And minus and minus plus 3 6 are 18 8 remaining 1 1 3 is 3 3 plus 1 is 4 48 and minus 2 2s are 4. Listen from this, so minus 28 plus 48. So 48 minus 28, remaining what is there? Remaining is plus 20. So this is value of del. Next I am going to find del x. So del x also very simple. So I am going to replace the constant value in the place of coefficient of x. Listen, from this we can write del x, which is equal to, listen, first I am going to replace the constant in the place of coefficient of x, that is in the first column 150 200 250 150 200 250. So for 150 200 250, this is first column. So remaining two column there is no changes. 3 2 4 2 4 2 3 2 4 3 2 4 and the third column 2 4 2 2 4 2. Now I am going to determine this along R1. Listen, yes, that is 3 2 4 2 4 2. There is no changes. Listen, I am going to determine along R1. So very simple. 150. Intersection of that place is what? That is first row and first column. So omit first row and first column. So remaining element, determine remaining elements. 2 2s are 4 minus 4 4s are 16. So 4 minus 16. Listen to this, very simple. Minus 3 into, now you omit first row and second column. So what are the remaining elements? 200 into 2. So there is 400 minus 250 into 4. What will come? 250 into 4. 25 4s are 100. So 1 0 is there. So 1000. And last element plus 2. Now omit first row and third column. Now listen, very simple. So 200 into 4. So that is 800 minus 250 into 2. 500. Listen to this. From this we can write 150 into 4 minus 16. Remaining what will you get? Minus 12. And minus 3 into 400 minus 1000. So we will get minus 600. From this minus 600 and plus 2 into 500, sorry 800 minus 500. So remaining is 300 is there. So 300. Now what is the multiplication of 15 into 12? 150 into minus 12. Listen to this, 15 into 12. So 5 2s are 10, 0, remaining 1, 1 5 is 5 plus 2, 7, 7 plus 1, 8. So 1 into 1, 1, 180, already 1 0 is there. So plus into minus, minus 180, already 1 0. That is minus 1800, minus and minus plus. So 3 6 are 18. So 00 is there, 00. So 2 3s are 6 plus 600. From this minus 1800, now we add the positive values. That is 1800 plus 600, we will get 2400. Listen here, 2400 minus 1800. So we will get plus 600. So this is value of del x. Listen, yes, I am going to find del y. In the coefficient of y, I am going to replace the constant values. Listen, the first row there is no changes. First column 2, 2, 5. These are coefficient of x. Now I am going to replace the constant value in the place of coefficient of y. I am going to change the second column, that is 150, 200, 250. 150, 200, 250. And the last column 242. 242. Listen to this. So from this I am going to consider first row, first element 2. Now omit first row and first column. 200 into 2, 400. Minus 250 into 4, 1000. Minus 150, center value. Now omit first row, second column. Remaining 2 2s are 4, minus 5 4s are 20. 4 minus 20. And last element there is 2. Now omit first row, third column. Omit first row, third column. From this 2 into 250, 500. 2 into 250, 500. From this 5 into 200, 5 2s are 10. So 20 is there. So 1000 minus 1000. So very simple. Now I am going to simplify this. 2 into 400 minus 1000, we have minus 600. Minus 600. And minus 150 into 4 minus 20. So there is minus 16. And plus 2 into 500 minus 1000. There is minus 500. Minus 500 is the remaining. So now listen. 2 6 are 12. So minus is there. Plus into minus, minus. So 12. 20 is there. 20. So 1200. From this, what is 15 into 16? Listen, yes, 15 into 16. Very simple. 6 5s are 30. Listen, 6 5s are 30. 0. Remaining 3. 6 plus 5. 11. 11 plus 3. 14. 4. Remaining 1. 1 1 is 1 plus 1, 2, 240. From this, we can multiply minus minus plus 240. So already 1 0 is there. So we have to keep 0. So 2400 from this. Listen, 2 into 5, 10. So plus and minus, minus 10. So already 2 zeros are there. So it will change as 1000. From this 1000, first we have to add the negative values. So what are the negative values? 1200 minus 1000. So minus 200, 1200 minus 1000. If you add this, what will you get? From this 2200 plus 2400. Listen to this. 2400 minus 2200. What is the remaining answer? Remaining is 200 plus 200. From this we can write plus 200. This is value of del y. Now I am going to find value of del z. Listen. So del z, which is equal to, there is no changes in the first column and the second column. I am going to replace the constant in the third column. Listen. So 2 2 5. 2 2 5. This is coefficient of x. And the coefficient of y 3 2 4. 3 2 4. I am going to replace the coefficient of z. Listen. That is 150, 200, 250. From this we can write 150, 200, 250. Now I simplify this. I am going to determine this along R1. If you consider the first element, omit first row and first column. 2 into 250 is what? That is 500. Minus 4 into 200. So there is 800. Minus 3. Now omit first row and the second column. 2 into 250, that is 500. Minus 5 into 200, that is 1000. Last element plus 150. Now omit first row and the third column. 2 4s are 8. Minus 5 2s are 10. Listen to this, very simple. 2 into 500 minus 800. What is remaining? Minus 300 is there. Minus 300. And minus 3 into 500 minus 1000. Remaining minus 500 is there. Minus 500. And plus 150 into, listen, plus 150 into 8 minus 10 is minus 2. Now listen, from this we can write 2 3s are 6. So minus is there. Minus 6 00. So minus 600. Minus and minus plus 3 5s are 15. So 00 is there. Keep 00. From this plus into minus, minus. So 150 into 2, 300 minus 300. Now from this we can write, listen, yes, minus 600 minus 300. What is that? that is minus 900. From this we can write minus 900 plus 1500. So 1500 minus 900. So what is the remaining? From this we can write which is equal to plus 600 is the remaining answer. So x equal to del x by del. So what is the value of del x? So del x we have find that is 600. So 600 divided by value of del is what? So that is 20. Value of del equal to 20, del x equal to 600. So 600 by 20. Listen, yes, after the cancellation, so 2 3 times, so 30. So this is value of x, and the value of y which is equal to del y by del. So from this we can write what is the value of del y? Del y which is equal to 200. So value of del is 20. So 200 divided by 20. So after the cancel it will cancel 10 times. So this is value of y equal to 10, and the value of z which is equal to del z by del. Listen this. So what is the value of del z? Del z which is equal to 600. So 600 divided by 20. After the cancellation we will get value of z equal to 3. So 30 will come. 30. From this is value of x y z. From this they are asking, though, this is cost of dosa equal to 30 rupees, cost of vada idli equal to 10, cost of vada equal to 30 rupees. From this they are given the family. Listen, they given the family as 350 rupees in hand and they ate. Listen, we have to find the cost of 3 dosa and 6 idlis and 6 vadais. Will they manage to pay the bill within the having amount? From this, cost of 3 dosa, 6 idlis, and 6 vadais. From this, listen, we can form 3 dosas. So 3x, 6 idlis, 6y plus 6 vadais, 6z. From this 3 into, what is the value of x? X equal to 30. Listen, plus 6 into, what is the value of y? 10 plus 6 into, what is the value of z? 30. Listen to this, 3 3s are 9, 90 plus 6 10 is 60 plus 6 3s are 18, 1 0 is there, 180. Now I am going to add these values. So 60 or 90 plus 60, 150, 150 plus 180. Now listen, 0, 5 plus 8, 13, 3, remaining 1, 1 plus 1, 2, remaining 1, 3, 330. Listen, yes, will they manage the bill? Will they manage to pay the bill? Yes, they can manage to pay the bill because they are having 350 rupees in hand. Do you understand? So they will manage to pay the bill. So this is the question. Listen to this, 330 is less than to 350. They are having 350 rupees in their hand. That's why they can manage to pay the bill. Are you clear?
I am V. Rishikeshava. I am S. Darshan. I am K. Rutika. I am M. S. Ritika. Participator of national level chess tournament held at KS